Good morning, yo. It's Sunday morning. So, we're traveling going to the boundary of Albay province and Kamsur. So, here we're going to Patitignan View Deck and Patitignan White Beach Resort. So, bigla ang plano, bigla ang sakay sa motor, at bigla ang dagat ulit tayo with relatives, cousins. So, let's go. We are here still at boundary of Albay and Kamsur. So technically we're in Patitignan, province of Albay. So as you can see, medyo ideal to sa mga riders. We have very very good road here, zigzag. Now guys, sa Patitignan White Beach Resort. So as you can see on my background, white crystal clear water. So it's in Sangay, still part of Kamsur. So let's go.